I am certain that you're going to fall in love with this beautiful townhouse bungalow on the east side of Owen Sound. I'm Shauna Bonterre with Royal LePage, and welcome to 930 17th Street East. One floor living, a fully finished basement, and within walking distance to all of your amenities. It's a perfect gem. Come on in and see for yourself. Isn't it adorable? I told you that you'd fall in love. If you'd like to schedule your own private tour, just give me a call. Thanks for watching the tour.